I mean, everyone's already heard numerous stories about when people want their steak cooked a certain way, and you know, it's like this imaginary world where, you know, they want it completely cooked but not too cooked, as if like heat doesn't remove all of the juices from the cut. So, you know, needless to say, it's almost like it's a lot easier to ask someone, hey, have you ever cooked this at your house and achieved exactly the perfect steak that you are requesting? Because we just fired our cook and we're willing to hire you to make this type of steak because we have a lot of people who share your desire to have steaks that are impossible to make. So if you'd like to know how much we're paying, just inquire with my manager and we'll set up an interview. Oh yeah, it'll be good. It'll be fantastic.